Ever wrestled with data that's missing key information? Let's jump into Tableau and discover how to conquer those pesky null values and make sure our analysis doesn't get derailed. First, understand where they're hiding in Tableau. Nulls often appear as blanks or empty cells. You can easily spot them in your data source view or within your fields in the data pane. One powerful approach is filtering. Click your field, hit the arrow for the drop-down menu, and select Filter in the Filter control. You'll see an option for a null value. Selecting that and clicking Exclude will eliminate any row with missing information in that field. But sometimes, we don't want to completely erase data in these cases. Replacing the nulls is the way to go. We can use calculated fields again. Right-click the field and bring the menu up. This time hover over Create and select Calculated Field. Now create an if-then-else statement. For example, if it is a numerical field, you may replace the nulls with 0, or if you want to replace those nulls with text, unknown is an option. You might choose to exclude nulls altogether if they cause a problem with your visualization, impacting your analysis. Just remember to consider how excluding data might alter any trends in your dataset. Handling nulls is about protecting your data's integrity and accuracy in your resulting dashboards. By understanding these strategies, you're now equipped to transform messy data into clear, insightful visuals.